Baik, pada video kali ini kita akan belajar tentang teks recount, yaitu teks yang menceritakan tentang pengalaman pribadi seseorang, pengalaman penulis, atau pengalaman dari orang lain kemudian diceritakan kembali. Dalam bahasa Inggris namanya adalah text recount. Ini adalah salah satu contoh text recount. It happened on Sunday morning, December 26, 2004. On that day, I went to the beach in Malabo, Aceh. When I arrived there, I saw many people were enjoying the beautiful sunrise. It was such a good moment. But suddenly, we were shocked by a violent shake in the ground. Everybody was panicked. I soon realized that it was a very big earthquake, although it struck in very short time. After that, I saw the water become shallow. Then many kind of fish were left behind on the sand. I was astonished by a few until I realized that was a huge wave moved very fast and come toward us. It destroyed everything in its way. I didn't realize what happened until I found myself hanging on the branch of the tree. On Sunday morning, December 26, 2004, a tsunami hit the coast quickly without any warning. It traveled far inland and caused serious flooding and loss of life. I would never forget that day for the entire of my life. Question 1. What does the text tell us mainly discuss? Dalam bahasa Indonesia maknanya adalah apa topik dari teks tersebut? Apakah yang A, a terrible earthquake, sebuah gempa yang dahsyat, atau B, the writer experience with tsunami, pengalaman penulis dengan tsunami, atau C, simple steps to survive from tsunami, langkah sederhana untuk selamat dari tsunami, atau yang D, the description of a beach in Malabo, sebuah deskripsi pantai di Malabo. Karena yang ditanyakan adalah tema atau topik dari teks di atas, maka kita bisa menyimpulkan bahwa teks tersebut karena merupakan teks recount, maka jawaban yang tepat adalah yang B, yakni the writer experience with tsunami, pengalaman penulis tentang tsunami. Pertanyaan selanjutnya adalah, what is the main idea of the third paragraph? Apa ide pokok dari paragraf 3? After that, I saw the water become shallow. Then many kind of fish were left behind on the sand. I was astonished by a few until I realized that was a huge wave moved very fast and come toward us. It destroyed everything in its way. I didn't realize what happened until I found myself hanging on the branch of the tree. Pembahasannya adalah dari pertanyaan di atas, what is the main idea of the third paragraph? Apa ide utama dari paragraf ketiga? Apakah yang A, many fish were left behind on the sand? Atau B, the view of beach astonished the writer? Yang C, the writer did not realize what he wrote? Atau yang D, a tsunami occurred and destroyed everything? Dari paragraf 3 dapat kita lihat pada akhir kalimat paragraf 3 terdapat kalimat a tsunami hit the coast quickly. Jadi yang sama dengan kalimat ini adalah pada pilihan yang D, yakni a tsunami occurred and destroy everything. Tsunami terjadi dan merusak segalanya. Pertanyaan yang ketiga adalah why was everybody panic? Apakah yang A, because the sun rises in the east, matahari terbit dari timur, atau yang B, because there was an earthquake, atau karena ada gempa bumi, atau yang ketiga, because the beach was beautiful, karena pantai sangat indah, atau yang D, because there was an amazing view in the sea, karena ada pemandangan yang menakjubkan di dalam laut. Pertanyaannya, why was everybody panic? Mengapa setiap orang panik? Kita lihat pada paragraf 2 ada kata-kata but suddenly we were shocked by a violent shake in the ground. Tiba-tiba kita tersentak atau terkagetkan oleh sebuah guncangan yang dahsyat di bumi. Oke, jadi bisa kita lihat di sini yang merupakan jawaban yang benar adalah yang B, because there was an earthquake.